Welcome to Baldi's Fun New School Plus. Before you can start the full experience, you need to fill out this sign-up form. Start by entering your name. Great job! Now, out of these characters, which one is your favorite? This will be used for your profile picture. Excellent choice! All that's left for you to do is to choose your preferred language. More languages are still in development and will be added in the future. Congratulations! You're all set up. Before you can go, I just want to remind you to have fun. To start playing, press the Let's Go button. Welcome back to Baldi's Fun New School Plus. To continue your progress, just click on your profile. Yep, that's all there is to do. Start playing. Learn more about Baldi's Fun New School Plus. Take a look at your achievements. Choose game mode. View extra content like downloadable goodies. See what missions Joe currently wants you to do. Check out player mods. Go to the Museum of Fun. A guarantee of fun museum ticket is required to enter. Adjust your settings. Sorry, it's out of order. Adventure mode. Challenge mode. Floor customizer. Field trip mode. Infinite mode. Random mode. Ultimate mode. Hello. Welcome to Floor 1. You've made it to Floor 2. Let the fun continue. Haha. Good job reaching Floor 3. What could possibly go wrong? Oh no, the elevators have broken down and the power's gone out. You'll need to repair the elevator tubes to fix them and restore power to the schoolhouse. Welcome to Floor 4. Despite what happened last floor, you were able to make it. Well, this is it. Floor 5. This could take you a few tries. I mean lives. You've collected all the notebooks. Now get to the elevators while you still can!
You're doing great. Wowie Kazowie. I can't believe it. You might be smarter than me. Great job. You're doing well. You're so great.
If it has anything to do with bees, that means it's time for spelling. Do you like past events? Because it's time to learn some history. Whenever it's a circle, square, or a triangle, it doesn't matter because it's time for geometry. Do you know what 2 plus 2 is? Because it's time to do some math.
Congratulations, player. You beat the demo. Now, listen to this song I prepared for you. 3, 2, 1, and go. Player, you did great. You won the demo. But this isn't over yet. Come back in the full game and we'll have some fun. This is just the beginning of something new. I hope you enjoyed my song. Oh, but there's one more thing I forgot to tell you. Watch out for
Welcome to the second floor demo of Baldi's Fun New School Plus Alpha 6. To start experiencing some of the new features, either create a new profile or sign into an existing one.
You need to collect 1 notebook before you can use these doors.